What's up? What it do? What's good with you? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing a video based on a hair product that I just got in the mail. I'm pretty sure this is what I think it is. So really this is like an unboxing surprise, but I'm pretty sure it's my edge control. So I got some edge control like maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago. I can say that it did take a little bit of time for it to ship, I believe, because I ordered this before I got this hair installed, so maybe about a week or two ago, but I forgot the brand of everything, and I don't think it says it on here. It says Boss Hair Collection, but I'm not really sure what I got. Like, I know I got edge control, but I just don't remember. I'm excited to open this, and I'm gonna just get right into the video. I believe I paid like, it was either $13 or $16 off. And I'm about to see if it's really worth the money. Sheisbomb edge control. That is the edge control that I got. I think I saw them doing it on somebody's hair actually on YouTube, and I'm like, these videos are popping. Like the way they was getting these like nappy edges together, I'm like, that's literally how my edges look. I got them very kinky nappy edges, so I always need a good edge control. I know the edge control that I usually get from the beauty supply store, the Ebin, New York, that works good, but I'm like, okay, let me just try a different brand. So yes, I don't have like an invoice in there or anything, I don't believe. Let me double check. Yeah, so I don't remember the exact price. I got this edge control, and then I got a little toothbrush thing to come with it, and it just fits in here like this, I guess. So I'm about to go in the bathroom and try it, only because, or really in my mirror. I just need a mirror to try it. I can't really do it on camera. And then I'll come back and give you my actual review on this, and I'm just excited. So I'll be back. So literally that edge control was so bomb. I love it so much. I'll kind of show y'all the consistency and stuff of it. And I think the Ebin, New York that I usually get from the beauty supply is a great comparison, no doubt. Like, it's almost just like this one. I just think this one holds it down just a little bit more. Now when I tell you like the slightest bit, like the little bit more, but it was enough for me to notice that it was kind of better than this one. But for this to be just one that's straight from the beauty supply, you don't have to order, this is a great edge control. About this Sheisbomb collection edge control, this is so amazing. Now one thing I will say is that I do not think that this brush is hard enough for my edges, because you know I told you I have kind of like edges that need to be laid down, so I didn't really get much of a use out of this, because I switched to my harder brush, because I mostly need a harder brush to lay my edges down more. But I lay my edges down a little bit in the front, and I am like loving it. It's so good. I love it. Like, it was just hitting all them naps. So most definitely a good edge control. I recommend it. And yeah, shout out to Sheisbomb. If you want to look for it, search up some YouTube that Sheisbomb collection, and the link that I got it under is somebody that was professionally doing somebody else's hair with it. Sometimes it's kind of tricky to listen to the people in the comments, because they can direct you to somewhere where it's not the real product. They should try to jug you or whatever, so be careful. Only get it if it's in the description box, you feel what I'm saying. Try to find the link that I got it from, so you like is living proof that it came. But if I can't, I'm sorry. That is all that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but I just had to open that product with you and kind of test it out and give my review on it, because that is just what I do, and I can honestly say that that is a great product. I'm not getting paid for none of this. I'm just genuinely want to share with you all that it works good, and it works on like my 4C type hair, because I have 4C most definitely. In the top left corner, you can click the circle with my picture on it, and that is a direct way for you to subscribe. Also in the bottom right corner, you can always click for more content if you want to see me some more. So it is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.